Assalamu alaikum, my dear respected, lovely, and well wishers, English learners, brothers and sisters. Hope that you all are fit and fine. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. And today, I'm going to talk about my hometown. This is very important topics for starting learning English. So actually, I come from Chuadanga district, which is beautiful and peaceful district over the Bangladesh and under the Khulna division. So Chuadanga is known for its natural beauty, loving people, peaceful people, and agricultural significance. Chuadanga is not only rich for the natural beauty, but also Chuadanga is rich for culture and history. So one of the things I love most, that is the environment of my hometown. The environment of Chuadanga is very calm and peaceful. So whenever I spend time in my hometown, I feel really relaxed and I feel really happy. And also Chuadanga has several institutions like educational institutions, markets, parks, and lots of things that is very important for the local community. So as if I talk about my hometown, and definitely I have to talk about the contribution of my hometown in the liberation war. So in the liberation war in 1971, that time Chuadanga had a significant role, and Chuadanga was under the sector 8, under the sector, number 8 sector that time, and the commander of the sector was Osman Chaudhuri. So Chuadanga had really a significant role in 1971 in the liberation war. And also the last student movement in 2024, July-August movement, at that time as well, Chuadanga had a significant role. In this second victory of Bangladesh, the contribution of Chuadanga, if I talk about the contribution of Chuadanga, then I have to remember one name, that is Shohid Shahriar Shubho, who has died in the second victory of Bangladesh. So we all pray for them always. May Allah bless them and may Allah grant them the highest level of Jannah, Jannatul Firdaus. Amin. So that's all about my hometown, and I'm so proud. I'm really proud for my hometown. I'm really proud for my district, Chuadanga, and I'm cherish the memories that I have made here. So thank you so much. That's all about my hometown, Chuadanga. Those who are watching me, thank you so much, and best of luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Do practice peace skills. Assalamu alaikum.